Are you struggling to hit 4,000 watch hours on YouTube so you can finally get monetized? Well, you're not alone. For a lot of creators, hitting 4,000 watch hours is even far harder than getting 1,000 subscribers. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the strategies I've used to get thousands of watch hours on YouTube faster. So grab a pen and paper because I'm going to be breaking it down step by step. What actually counts as watch hours, which video brings in most watch hours, mistakes that actually kills your watch hour, and my personal tips of how I've gotten thousands of watch hours. If you are serious about getting monetized this year, then stick with me to the end because I'm even going to be sharing with you a very simple bonus trick that most creators ignore. So without further ado, let's run through it. First, let's clear the confusion. What exactly counts towards those 4,000 watch hours? The public watch time only. This means that public videos only count. That is, private videos, unlisted videos don't count towards watch hour. So you have to make your videos public, but you can private live stream that you have already done. You can actually decide to private it or unlist it. Also, all video type counts towards YouTube monetization, but get the gist. Shorts hours don't count. What hour you get from short don't count towards monetization. Only the view or the watch hour from live streams and long form video. So make sure you are focused more on live stream and long form video, except you just want to monetize through shorts. Also notice that replay from live stream counts. So let's say I was doing live stream now, and then after I finished the live stream, people that watch it after the live stream that did not come live, those watch hours from those persons count towards monetization also. So that's why it is good for you to make your live stream very engaging, so that people that are watching the replay will find it engaging to watch and keep watching. I've already done a video on how to get watch hour through live streaming. You can go watch the video right after this video. So the formula is simple. The more engaging long form video you make, the longer people stay on your channel, the faster the watch time you get. Now let's talk about the content that drives watch hour fast. The first on my list is tutorial and how-to videos. Like, these are golds on YouTube because YouTube is for solving problem. People come to YouTube to solve their problem. So if you have tutorial videos on how to do something, let's say how to get monetized in 2025 or how to create YouTube thumbnails in Canva, people will want to watch all the way through just to get these answers that they are looking for. And while they are watching through all the video, you get more watch hour. So the more they watch, the more watch hour you get. The next type of content is storytelling. So people like to hear story, guys. People like to hear story. So when you tell people about how you're growing, how you failed, how you're learning, they tend to be very curious about how it's going to be ending, and therefore stay on your video, stay on your channel. So storytelling equals retention, which builds your watch hour. The next one, which is one of my favorites, is live streaming. This builds watch hour really fast. Like, it's one of my favorite because this is what I've really built my watch hour. So imagine you're live for 2 hours and 20 persons are watching your video. That's like 40 watch hours just for 2 hours. And then if like 100 people watch the replay, imagine how many hours that's going to give you. So live streaming is one of my favorites. You should consider it. The fourth one, which is the last on my list, is evergreen content. Like, guys, make videos that are evergreen. I know that people want to jump on trends and then create videos regarding what's happening. It is good. Why that is good, just imagine if you create this video today, will it still be relevant in the next 6 months? If you create evergreen content, people will keep on coming to that video to watch it, and then it will give you more watch hour. And the good part is, after you're monetized, not just watch hour that it will give you more revenue. So consider creating evergreen content. Okay, now let's talk about the big mistake that are killing your watch hour. First is making very short video. A 2 minutes video will not get you far. So always aim for 8 to 12 minutes. Don't make it too long. That's why I said 8 to 12 minutes, especially as a beginner content creator. Another one is bad intro. If people click away from your video within 50 seconds of clicking on it, YouTube will not recommend it to more people, because it will give YouTube the signal that this content is low quality. The people are not interested in this content, so they will not want to stress themselves and push it out to other viewers. So make sure you actually give a problem and a promise, because people actually have problem and they want solution. So make sure you give them the problem and the promise. Let them know the reason why they want to watch your video. Another reason why people scroll away is no structure. Make sure your video have direction. Always write down or jot down the points that you want to talk about before hitting record, so that it will not look very messy. Don't ignore thumbnails and title. This is one part that is very, very important, because if your thumbnail is not attractive or your title is not search clickable, people will not click on it. And if they don't click on it, even if you have a great content, nobody's going to watch it. So make sure you always have an attractive thumbnails and title. Let me share my journey. Right now I have about 3,000 watch time after deleting over 8,000 watch hour. Yes, I deleted some videos, and these videos actually deleted those watch time, because like I told you earlier, deleted videos don't count towards this 4,000 watch time. And yes, I got them. My number one secret is live streaming. Yes, live stream helps to boost your watch time. Most of the times I get around 50 to 100 watch time per video. And also the replay will now come back and add to it. You can see that live stream is a very good one that you should consider. Another thing is I post how to video. For example, this is my how to video, how to create music video using just AI. Some of those videos got over 10,000 views, and this added hundreds of watch hours to my YouTube. Another thing is I focus on longer content, around 8 to 12 minutes. This stacks more watch time to my channel. So my secret is consistency and also creating content that people search for. That's why I grew. Here's a bonus tip most creators ignore. I just found this tip out lately. Make series and not random videos. Guys, imagine uploading 5 videos about YouTube monetization tips. This will make your viewers watch them back to back, and this will multiply your watch time. Imagine Netflix, for example. If you watch one episode, you want to watch another episode, right? Make your channel feel the same. So to get 4,000 watch hours fast, focus on tutorials, storytelling, and live stream. Make sure your videos are longer and well structured, and also stop making random disconnected content. So if you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe to this channel, because through this week I'll be sharing with you daily tips on how to grow on YouTube and get monetized. And let me know in the comment section how many watch hours you have right now. I would love to know. Remember, growth takes time, but with the right strategy, you're going to hit your monetization faster than you expected. So until next time, guys, bye. Stay motivated.